everyone! Today, I'm going to be unboxing my IPSY Ultimate box. I got this big bad boy that came in the mail. This box is a $50 box. So let's see if the items that I got in here are worth the $50. A lot of people say that they feel like this box for $50, it's just a whole bunch of stuff that they necessarily don't like. But let's see if I like the things that I got for $50. If you guys want to see what I got in this box, stay tuned. Alrighty, so the box comes like so, and let's see what it looks like inside. That's what it always looks like when you open it up. And this is all the goodies you get for $50. Whoops. I always try to not drop something, and I always end up dropping something. I'm just gonna pull. Ooh, this is heavy. It's hard to get the things out. All right, so let's see what I got here. So this is the bag. It looked nicer, I want to say, on the app than in person. In person, I don't really like the bag too much. It looks nice on camera, but in person, to me, I feel like the bag looks kind of cheap. Like the quality. It says IPSY on a tassel right there. See, it says IPSY. This is what the inside of the bag looks like. It says IPSY on the inside. As you can see, gray on the inside. I mean, it's okay, but it's not really like my style. And that's just my opinion. So I actually just got something from Sunday Riley from my BoxyCharm Premium box, the retinol serum. And now I got the brightening serum. So my Sunday Riley collection is expanding. Let's see here. So now I have a new baby to add to my Sunday Riley collection. This is the brightening serum, CEO by Sunday Riley. This is what it looks like. So now this is the problem. I just got in the last, if you guys didn't see my BoxyCharm unboxing, I did the Battle of the Boxes in my last video. You guys can check that out. You'll see that I got the serum to this. But it's like I got a full-size serum, the retinol serum, and now I have a full-size brightening serum. And it's like, these things, it takes like 3-4 months to finish. So it's like, I have two now. So it's like, how can you really tell what's working if you use more than one at one time? So it's like, it stinks. I love getting such good deals on these products, but it's like, at the same time, I only have one face. So it's like, I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do this. Maybe like 1 month use one serum, 1 month use another serum, or like 1 week use one serum, another week like that. I have to figure out a system because I really want to try this before like they spoil. Although they say the lifespan starts once you open the product. So, but that's not necessarily true because working in the beauty industry, I've gotten and received tons of free stuff, skincare, makeup. And some stuff I never even got a chance to open, and they expired and went bad, and I never even used it or opened it. So you still have to follow in those guidelines. It's like, just because you have something for 5 years and you never open it doesn't mean that it's still going to be good. You still have to use it still within a certain time frame. All right, so the card that was in here, they never have the prices anymore like they used to, but it does tell you that your box is supposed to be a $250 value. It also tells you the date of when you could pick your items. It says choosing one of your products, save the date for 8/24, or you could choose your one item for your box. So that's the card that they give you, and it looks like so. Let's see here. So I feel like how IPSY Ultimate work. Oh, I see something nice. I'm being bad. I'm looking at stuff without showing you guys. But I feel like how Ipsy Ultimate works is they normally give you like 1 or 2 name brand things, and then the rest of the stuff is like indie brands. So if you're interested and open-minded to trying some indie stuff, then that'll be great. But like if you like more like name brand stuff, I feel like BoxyCharm is more like name brand, Ipsy's more like indie. But they always still throw in 1 or 2 name brand. So it depends on the person. If you know, only like name brand, then maybe like BoxyCharm is more for you. If you only like more indie, more on the indie side, then Ipsy would be for you. Or if you don't care like me and you're like a makeup junkie, beauty, skincare, fragrance, everything all around junkie, then it doesn't matter. Which to me, it doesn't matter. So I love any type of makeup subscription box is fine in my eyes. But just things to think about. Alrighty, so let's see. I still have a lot more goodies to go. As you guys can see, whoops. Look at all the stuff I have left. So, let's see here. Let me see. Hold on. Just trying to get the box out the frame. There we go. Alright, so what is this? This is a Real Her Eye Amazing 24-hour eyeliner. Another liquid liner. But I'm not mad. I love liquid liners. I can never have too much. But I got a liquid liner. I'm not going to... Is this pencil or liquid? It says eyeliner, but I think this is pencil, so I can open... Yes, this is a pencil eyeliner. Let me try it, because my eyeliner that I have on now... Oh, it's very, like, smooth. It's going on very smooth. Very pigmented. Okay, I like it. I mean, I already had eyeliner on already. But I just wanted to feel if it goes on smooth. I felt like it went on nice. It wasn't like very, very rich, dark, and pigmented, but I do like it. So Real Her I Am Amazing. Never heard of this brand before. Alrighty, let's see. What is this? This is a face mask. Super Silver Haze Purifying Face Mask with cannabidiol CBD 100 milligrams. Doesn't really say what it does, but it's a face mask. Purifying face mask. Alright. Always up for a mask. So I don't mind like keeping the mask and stuff like that because I'll use. It's just all the moisturizers and serums I've been getting. I've been just pretty much holding them off for my giveaways because the moisturizers take longer to use and the serums. Serums you only need a little bit. But mask and stuff I can use. You don't have to do the same type of mask every day. Like every couple of days you can do an exfoliating mask. You can do like a sheet mask. More mask I feel like I can use more of than like moisturizers. I like to just use one and then finish that and do something else. Alright. So the next thing I got is a Gentle Derm Gentle Cleansing Gel Foam. I never heard of this, but this is what it looks like. It's like a travel size. It's like a cleanser. Alright, so the next thing I got is from Generation Clay. Detoxifying Charcoal Clay Mask. I've definitely got this in one of my subscription boxes. Lord knows which one it was, but I definitely got this before. So this is going away as one of my giveaways because I don't need it. Alright, so the next thing I got is a Fix It Up Mini Matte Setting Spray by the brand Koki Professional. Never heard of this brand before. This is what the box looks like. This is what the spray looks like. I already have a spray. Today I have on my Ciate London Coconut Finishing Spray on my skin today. But I love setting sprays and trying different setting sprays. So I'm very excited to try this. So far, the only 2 things that I'm like really excited to try are these 2. Everything else is like, But this, I'm definitely excited to try. 111 Skin. I've heard a lot of good things about them. I know they are expensive, and I heard this stuff is great. So we got 2 high-end skincare products in this box. So I don't know if everybody with the Ultimate got these items, but this is definitely like a great thing to have and to try. So let's see. Ooh, I love the packaging. Look how cool the packaging is, like metallic, futuristic looking. Love this box. It's matching my whole blue aquatic vibes. All right. What does this do? Mimicking the effect of extreme cold on the skin, this booster contains cellular energy to encourage optimized cell functions. A lot of stuff that like nobody cares to read. Nevertheless, it's a serum. Serums are good, so I'll read more into that at a later time. The next thing I got is a vitamin E balm from the band Phil. It smells kind of pepperminty. Yes, it smells exactly like peppermint. It's clear. It has no color to it. It looks like that. You see it's clear? I'm going to put a little bit on over my lip stuff. So, no color. Very pepperminty. I love the smell. It smells very nice. And vitamin E is very good. Very hydrating for the lips. The next thing I got is a thin hydrating emulsion. My skin is more oily combination, so I'm probably going to give this away because I don't like anything hydrating. Hydrating emulsion. Smooth cream onto face, neck, and massage gently. And then apply facial. Use morning, afternoon. And if necessary, after apply any facial serum. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I feel like this box is very skincare heavy. More than makeup. Alright, so I got 2 more things in this box. Let me just put this box down so I have a little bit more space on my table. Let me just put it down. Alright, so the next thing I got is something hair. Wow, because I didn't get that much hair stuff. This is the first hair thing in here. And I love the smell of coconut. This is a coconut hair mist with vitamin E, coconut milk. Hydrate and shine. So this is what it looks like. And I love the smell of coconut. Let me see if I can open this up for you guys. Alright, so let's smell this. I'm going to spray a little. It smells just like coconut. The mist is, it comes out like very milky, very, very milky. This is for the hair. Very hydrating. Let me put a little bit in my hair. Okay. If you don't like the smell of coconuts, it's definitely like a strong coconut scent to that. And then the last thing I got is by a brand called Payot Paris Hydra 24 Creme Glaze Plumping Moisturizing Care. This is what the box looks like. This is definitely going in a giveaway because I do not need any more moisturizers, as I just said. So that concludes everything I got in my IPSY Ultimate box for August. I'm gonna say I did like the box just because of me getting the Sunday Riley serum and the 111 Skin serum, because these are like like both of them way I do the box is only $50 and this is probably like $85 and this is probably like $85 as well. So because of those 2 things, I'm going to say I think the box was worth it. Unfortunately, everything else I can live without, but luckily for me, I do have a channel. It just sucks for people who, you know, let's say you didn't have a YouTube channel and you just subscribe to IPSY Ultimate, you'll have a whole bunch of stuff that you're never going to really use or want. But for me, I could always give it away to you guys, so it works out for me. So I love those. I like my little lip balm with vitamin E. I love my hydrating mist for my hair. I loved my finishing spray. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things that I liked from the box. The liner was, it was alright. I mean, it didn't go on like too smooth and it didn't look that rich. So it was just okay. I never heard of this brand, and I don't really need anything too anti-aging as of yet, so this is not going to be good for me at the moment. I already received this Generation Clay Exfoliator Clay Mask. I want to say at least once in Ipsy before. That I wasn't excited for this cleanser. Never heard of it. The Purifying Face Mask. Actually, I'm interested in trying that, so I'll put that in the pile of things that I liked. Hydrated emulsion. My skin is oily, and I don't get why you do the survey, but then you still get hydrating stuff, even though I said that I'm oily. So I don't know, and I put that I don't want. It's funny also too, because in you have to do a survey for Ipsy. You do a survey for Ipsy and a survey for BoxyCharm. I put like anything for skincare related. I'm just like no. Like I don't want any skincare. Like what you like as far as skincare. Like 1 to 10. It will be for me. It will be like a 0. But I still get. Look at all the skincare I got. So, which I don't mind. But like they ask you if you want like skincare stuff. You say no, and then you still get it. Very funny to me. Just me thinking out loud once again. The mini matte setting spray, I'm excited for that. So in the bag, I like the bag that they gave us for the plus. The plus bag was nice. This one was okay. It's not that bad, but like the bags never really are my like, cup of tea. But so that concludes everything I got in my Ipsy Ultimate bag. What did you guys get? Was your box a little bit better? Did you get any interesting things? This was definitely skincare. What was makeup? This is so funny. The only thing makeup I got from this whole $50 box was technically, and the lip balm's not really makeup. I got an eyeliner. What else was it? Or maybe the setting spray? Like, from the whole $50 box, everything else was mostly skincare and one hair product. So, hopefully next month it's more makeup than skincare. Because I have one skincare subscription box. But, like, I chose a makeup subscription box for a reason. Because I want to try makeup. So, I hope all the subscription boxes get that. Like, if you're going to claim to be like a beauty subscription box that's like more makeup heavy, then stick to that. But like don't do like 90% all skincare, because then just claim to be a skincare box. This is just my opinion, so don't come for me. This is just my opinion. Everybody's entitled to have their opinions, and this is my channel, and this is just my opinion. That concludes the ending of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for everyone who's been subscribing to my channel. I love makeup. I love beauty products. And if you are a makeup junkie like me, skincare junkie, product junkie, fragrance junkie, hair care junkie, then this is definitely going to be the channel for you, because I do a lot of all of that in that category on my channel. So please consider subscribing. Please give me some thumbs up. It shows your support. It gives me, helps me with the YouTube algorithm for my channel. So please make sure you're liking my videos when I post them. Also make sure you hit your notification bell so you know each and every time I upload a video. Thank you guys so much. I'll miss you guys, but as always, I'll see you guys all in my next video.